Are you tired of endless paperwork and slow signing processes? Imagine transforming your insurance workflows with ease. Meet airSlate SignNow, the ultimate electronic signature solution tailored for your insurance needs. Quickly organize your signing processes for certificates and applications. Track who's signing and when, ensuring you never miss a signature again. Access and manage documents on the go with your mobile device. What makes us better? We prioritize security with two-factor authentication and advanced encryption. Plus, our GDPR and HIPAA compliance ensure your data remains protected. Don't settle for less. Experience the benefits of airSlate SignNow today. Our platform offers custom fillable forms, seamless payment requests, and efficient document tracking. Join companies like GRBM Incorporated and now Certs who have already streamlined their insurance processes. Ready to elevate your insurance workflow? Visit our website and start your free trial now.